everyone. Here we are in our room in Walt Disney's Dolphin Resort. Okay, we're going to do a quick walkthrough here. So right through the front door, as you come to the right, you have yourself a nice sized closet. Okay, the safe is there and all. We'll be coming over here, and here's the bathroom. Okay, I'll try not to get myself in the mirror there. Okay, pretty good size. The only problem is I wish there was a pocket door right here, so somebody can get dressed while somebody else is getting dressed and whatever. Here's the bathroom itself, the toilet. Light, please. Thank you. I mean, standard, bathroom, nothing fancy, the usual. Let's go on wide here, so you guys can get an idea. I mean, seriously, it's just a bathroom, no big deal. There is a mirror behind us, which kind of is almost useless to use because the door only goes halfway, so you can't really stand in front of the mirror without hitting yourself on the wall behind you. But hey, it works. There goes a kid. Don't mind her. It's like a ghost. Now we come into the sleeping quarters. So I believe there's two queen beds? Full beds? There are two full beds.
Yeah.
There are two full beds. This room has full beds.
The Swan has queen beds. I don't know why they didn't put queen beds in here.
I don't know why either, because there is plenty of room for queen beds, to be quite honest with you.
The beds are very comfortable.
Yeah, they were. They were very comfortable. It was an enjoyable sleep. There's your room view. We have a view of nothing, to be quite honest with you. Actually, we're on the other side of the Dolphin. There's a convention center. In the distance, you might be able to see right there is the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. And just to the left of it is Space Mountain and the Magic Kingdom. Right over there. Right there. Besides that, I can't find anything else, to be quite honest with you. There's something over there in the distance there, but I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, I can't really tell what it is. But besides that, this is our view.
We get coffee service, 2 bottles of water a day.
You get 2 bottles of water a day. Okay, that's what you pay for. Standard, what is it, 47, 48 inch? Not too bad, whatever. Not sure how much TV you're going to be watching, but it's there if you need it. There goes the kid again, the ghost in the frame. Your coffee is not bad. It's Starbucks. It was all right. It wasn't too bad. It's better than paying, $4.50 for a cup of coffee. But so that's our room tour of Walt Disney World Resort's Dolphin Resort. Yeah.
Swan and Dolphin. Dolphin.
Just the Dolphin.
There are technically 2 separate hotels, but they share a whole bunch of amenities. So this is the Dolphin. The Swan is across the way.
It's all right. I mean, there's some really cool restaurants. We went to Kimonos last night. It was a sushi restaurant. They had karaoke, and some of those people were really good last night. Either that. They were good. The kid says they were good. The food was really good. We went to the Garden Grove this morning for breakfast. Got to see Goofy and Pluto. Buffet style stuff. Not too bad. Wasn't too pricey. Listen, just to take a nice little short walk across to get yourself breakfast, and then come back and jump on one of the boats, or go to a bus to a park, or walk to Epcot or Hollywood Studios like we did this morning. It's not bad. It's really not. So depends on what your preferences are, what your likes are. Anyway, let us know what you think.
See you guys soon.
Ciao.